or A, okay, first, enlarge triangle T by scale factor of 3, center 0, 2. Okay, we do here. Zero, 2 will be here. Okay, we just draw a line. So this point, okay. So this point will be 1, 2, 3 here. Okay. This point will be 1, 1, 2, 3 we here. This point 1, 2, 3 we here. So your line, your image should be here. This one. Okay, part 2A. Rotate triangle T about 4, 2 by 90 degrees clockwise. 4, 2 is here. This is the center. Okay, so rotate this point. 90 is here. Point 90 degrees here. Image should be label as P. Okay. P reflect the triangle T in the line x plus y equal to 6. So x plus y equal to 6. Okay. If x plus y equal to 6, okay, you need if you have no idea how to draw this, you just need to coordinate. When x is 0, y will be 6, and when y is 0, x will be 6. You substitute here, then you get this line. Okay. Now to reflect t at y plus x plus y equal to 6. So reflection here, image should be here. This will be Q. Describe fully single transformation and map P into Q. So it's 2 marks. Therefore, it's either is translation or reflection. In this case, so obvious is reflection. And in the line, x equal to 4 with this line. This is the line of reflection. B. Okay. The diagram shows triangle OHK, where O is origin, OHK, the position vector of H is A, position vector of K is B, the Z is point HK such as ZK is 2, 5. So it's 2 to 5, therefore this is 2, this will be 5. Okay. Find the position vector of Z. Position vector basically is of Z is OZ. Okay, OZ is equal to OZ will be OH plus HC. So equal to A plus, this will be 2 over 7. Okay, 5 over 7 is 2 over 7. 2 over 7 of HK. So you find HK is equal to HK HO plus OK. So equal to negative A plus B or equal to B minus A. So this equal to A plus 7 over 2 over 7 B minus A. Simplify equal to A plus 2 over 7 B minus 2 over 7 A. So equal to 5 over 7 A plus 2 over 7 B. I hope this discussion will help you in your exam preparation. And remember, practice is the key. Good luck with your studies and don't forget to subscribe. See you again. Bye bye.